Okay. As you can see, I just found the key spot for the tire drop release. So you put the key in, unlock it, and pull it out. Then you connect your two bars that you get from your toolkit in the back, wherever my camera is. So you insert the box end, feed the box end into that first, after you've connected all the other brackets. Then you proceed to take off your cap, loosen your bolts, place your jack. I don't know if you guys can see. It should be there somewhere. Place your jack somewhere nice and secure. And then just drop your tire, release it, and then go about normal way of changing a tire. Anyway, hopefully that was more useful than what I found anywhere. Take care.